So one of the beauties of Cheap Joe's is we do have a workshop studio just next door. We bring in some of the best artists in this world. We have amazing talent that comes to this store, not only in the instructors, but with the students as well. The work that they produce, I am astounded with. It is fascinating to watch and to see people grow from day 1 to day 4 or 5 of the workshop, depending on the length.
One of the good things is, first of all, there are many people here. They're on your side. You don't have to be a good painter. That's the thing. You don't have to worry about being a good painter. You just have to want and love to paint. That's the #1 ingredient.
Sort of a life-changing experience for me, and I would recommend these workshops to anybody who has any interest at all in painting. It's all levels. You just have to bring your own imagination and, of course, be open to learning new things, because you learn a lot, things that you never thought were possible.
It's just such a fabulous thing. Just how can you have this much fun in 4.5 days? It's fabulous. Facility's fantastic. And the folks here at Cheap Joe's, they make sure we have everything we need. They bring our lunches in so we don't have to go running around wasting time trying to find lunch. They're so encouraging. The positive vibes around here would be enough to make anybody want to come.
Best part about coming here to teach is all the art materials are on the other side of that wall. They're the big Cheap Joe's Art Stuff stores right there, so I always love coming back here.
The outlet store is also connected to the workshop space. So if you come and you forgot something or need something, we do have all the materials that are on the instructor's supply list there and ready for you as well.
People here are really helpful. If you go in there thinking that you need one thing, you may come out finding that you've gotten something completely different, and it was a much better idea than what you went in with. So really great. Cheap Joe's is really great. It's a candy store.
Our workshops here are either 4 or 5 days long. Most of them are 5-day. You come in Monday morning. We have a deluxe goodie bag ready for you, and you get to take all the goodies home. We keep our classes no more than 20 students so that every instructor can take time with you. In addition to keeping the classes at no more than 20 students, each student does have their own private desk and their own chair. You can leave your materials in there all week. We do lock up the room, so you don't have to worry about packing up at the end of every day.
It's just a wonderful facility to take a workshop, very quiet and peaceful. The instructors are always so helpful, and Megan and her team are fantastic. And if you need anything, it's right in the outlet store.
I think this location has been great. The area is great. The people here could not possibly be nicer. The facilities are wonderful, and the instructor has been great.
Megan and Joseph are fabulous, and the staff are very, very helpful, and the whole experience is very positive.
Lunch is included in the cost of your workshop, so we do bring in a catered lunch. When you come and take a workshop with us here at Cheap Joe's, we do work with a couple of the local hotel chains to provide you with one of the best discounts around so that you can stay at an affordable rate with a hotel here and take a great workshop. There's a plethora of Airbnbs and VRBOs that you can stay in, and we also work with a charming couple just down the road who has a cabin for rent if you would like to have a 2-bedroom cabin that you could stay in.
The advantage of being here in the high country of North Carolina is if you have a non-painting spouse or significant other who's coming with you, then that person can have plenty of things to do while you're working in the studio or painting plein air, whichever it happens to be. It's a beautiful area where we live that with lots of outdoor activities, including golf, fishing, hiking, camping. We have lots of shopping in the area. It's just truly a beautiful place to live and to visit.
Oh, it's a great facility. Everybody has a wonderful table to use. They give us, plenty of supplies. The outlet is right next door. We can set up an account and get whatever we might need for either now or in the future. And it's really been great. The lighting is great. Everything is great. And it's wonderful to have so many students around you who are encouraging and helpful and supportive.